A Mini PC is a great choice for those who prefer using a desktop but want the small form of a laptop. This space-saving computing device is loaded with all the essential components that help you complete work-related tasks, photo, video editing, basic web browsing, text editing, and more, except those that require a premium graphics card. If you're looking for a reliable brand that provides you with all your needs, then we have a list of the most popular, highly trusted, and well-rated products. Are you ready to join us? Then here's our list of the 5 best mini PCs for you to check out. Taking top spot on our list is the Apple Mac Mini, another premium product from the company that revolutionized the world of computers and phones with its line of high-end signature designs. This sleek and compact unit is equipped with modern technology and hardware that delivers fast, efficient configurations with its 32nm Sandy Bridge Intel Core i5 processor, which is clocked at 2.3 GHz. It comes with 16 gigs of 1333 MHz DDR3 SD RAM and a 1 TB solid-state hybrid drive. It also uses the macOS 10.12 Sierra, which is known for its advanced system features. Combined with a faster processor, the RAM architecture and Intel HD graphics make this Mini Mac a perfect addition to your workspace. Take note that this model does not have a DVD drive, but you can still download multimedia data from the App Store and iTunes. It also allows external drive connectivity with basic communication ports like FireWire 800, combined digital analog audio line in, combined audio line out headphone mini jack, 4 USB 2.0 ports, Ethernet ports, SDXC card slot, HDMI port, Bluetooth 4.0, and the new Thunderbolt port. Thunderbolt supports 2560 by 1600 external display and other peripherals that offer up to 10 gigs of bandwidth in both directions. The streamlined, high-quality aluminum shell of the Mac Mini is another big plus that scores points with Apple users. At number 2 is the Azul Byte 3 Mini PC. This compact fanless unit is powered by Windows 10 Pro, delivers a full PC experience to your home entertainment setup. It's designed and engineered to keep up with the ever-evolving technology, helping multitaskers to access everything in a fraction of the time. It comes loaded with 64-bit quad-core Intel Apollo Lake N3450 Celeron processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 32 GB of memory storage. It's also optimized with high-speed media streaming capability. This mini PC provides better than expected performance when streaming 4K at 60 frames per second on your television. This user-friendly unit is also equipped with 1 gigabit Ethernet port and dual-band Wi-Fi for maximum connectivity. It also has a lot of ports for convenient device connection and an IR remote control for easy navigation. Use the VGA or HDMI port to use your TV monitor to stream Amazon Prime, YouTube, and Netflix, or complete any task using Microsoft Office. There's also an SD card slot that allows an extra 256 gigs of storage and a bonus M2 slot. This ultralight mini PC measures 4 by 5.6 by 4 inches, making it easy to be mounted on the back of your monitor or positioned in a work table or entertainment spot. We hope the 2 first mini PCs we reviewed to be worth your interest. There are 3 more products left, so we have more in store. If you're not yet part of our friendly community, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to tap the bell icon so you can get instant notifications when we put up a new product review. Now let's get on with our list. At number 3 is the Intel NUC Hades Canyon Mini PC. It features a glowing skull in its exterior shell and requires some assembly to become fully operational. It's completely unlocked and ready for your overclocking to maximize capability. The impressive product is currently holding the record of being the smallest NUC, or next unit of computing, that Intel has created, and yes, it's very powerful as well. It's equipped with 8th generation Intel Core i7 and features Radeon RX Vega M graphics, providing an immersive virtual reality experience that lets you see every moment with improved clarity. With a dedicated 4 gigs of memory, this compact PC satisfies the hardcore gamers. It's also capable of providing the ultimate performance for everyday tasks, video editing, or streaming 4K videos. It also comes with front and rear HDMI ports, 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, 2 mini display ports, and 6 USB 3.1 ports that all support fantastic connectivity and expansion up to 6 4K or 5K monitors. A do-it-yourself upgrade is also supported by this power pack unit, allowing installation of up to 32 gigs of DDR4 RAM, or optimizing its solid-state storage for your data. Customizing and adding premium quality parts will greatly boost the graphics and overall performance. This 10.80 by 8.7 by 1.5 inch pint-sized PC comes ready for customizable RGB lighting. It weighs about 4.5 pounds, which makes it ideal for any type of work or entertainment setup. At number 4 is the HP Z2 Mini G4. This ultra-smart workstation PC comes loaded with premium-class hardware components that deliver category-leading computing performance. It's equipped with an 8th generation Intel Core i7 with a 3.29 GHz processor that supports up to 4.6 GHz 6-core 12 MB smart cache. With the Intel UHD 630 integrated graphics and 4 GB DDR RAM, this mini PC is capable of handling workloads that other brands with compact designs find it difficult to do. With striking ergonomic design, this HP Mini workstation is powered by Windows 10 Pro 64. It comes with a terabyte hard disk drive that offers generous space for all your applications, videos, and photos. It offers plenty of connectivity options, including a USB 3.1 and 2 USB 3, 1 Thunderbolt port, 3 display ports, 1 Type-C USB, a 3.5mm combo jack, and an RJ45 Ethernet port. This small but capable workstation measures 8.8 by 8.8 by 2.3 inches and weighs just 4.5 pounds. It's a perfect fit for the not-so-spacious home office or living area. It doesn't possess an optical drive but supports downloading or streaming of data. It comes with a maximum built-in security that adds value to your money, and it uses a 230-watt power supply. Well, we're nearly done with our list of the best mini PCs. If you have any comments or suggestions, don't hesitate to leave your thoughts in the comments below. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to watch our reviews on different products and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new content. And now our final item. At number 5 is the Lenovo ThinkCentre M73 Tiny Desktop. It may have a miniature frame, but it's capable of bringing business-grade productivity that a lot of users love. Small yet attractive, it features an Intel quad-core i5, which can be optimized up to 3.1 GHz with 6 MB of cache. With a powerful AMD processor, it can punch more than its tiny bearings and delivers fast loading performance. It's equipped with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, upgraded with a 512 GB solid-state hard drive and an HD Graphics 630 card, making it the perfect choice for those who are doing intensive tasks like graphic design or multimedia creation. Extremely powerful and configurable, it's customized to meet your business or multitasking computing needs. It comes with plenty of ports that allow for easy configurations, such as a DisplayPort, USB 3, USB 2, rear ports, front ports, RJ45, a microphone headphone combo jack, and for easy connectivity, it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. Its versatility provides an option to add an optical drive or use dual monitors. The robust construction protects the sensitive components, while the integrated security features safeguard your data. It's designed and engineered to bring high performance with built-in reliability that you can count on. If you found the best mini PC for you, if you have, click the link of the product of your choice down below and get it at a great deal delivered right to your doorstep. If you'd like to see any other products reviewed, leave them in the comment box below and we'll give it our utmost attention to grant that request. Please don't forget to tap the bell icon to get notifications and more product reviews. And of course, join our growing community by clicking the subscribe button. Thanks for joining us on our review of the 5 best mini PCs, and we'll catch you in our next video here at the ReviewTube channel.